Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can create this. As you see on my background, a maze inside of Artistly. This is new to Artistly, and I'm going to make a maze with the theme of alphabet, and you can also create your own theme if you want. Just think about whatever you want, you can do it inside of Artistly, and we're going to create a maze ABC, a maze activity for kids. Alright, so before we go to my computer, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so now without any further ado, let's go to my computer. And click the Fast Image Designer, and where is the maze generator? Okay, this is my first time that I'm going to create that maze generator, so I'm going to click this one. Alright, so now we are here on the maze generation, and I'm going to put on a level 2, which is medium, and I want the theme like letters of the alphabet. Okay, maybe a letter A to letter Z. This is the theme that I want to create my maze, and choose the style. So maybe okay, I'm gonna choose the coloring page first, and then you can play around with these guys, which style that you want. Okay, so 5 mazes. Okay, let's say 25. I'm gonna use the maximum, and then let's generate it. Click this one, and let's wait for seconds, and let's see how it looks like. Alright, so there you go. So this is what I got for the theme that I want to. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I want to try another maze, and I'm gonna show you guys again over here. Okay, so let's try with the illustration. Okay, so I want again to level 2. The theme is okay, alphabet letters from A to Z, and I'm going to choose the number of mazes. I'm gonna get 25. I'm gonna choose the style, so let's choose the kawaii watercolor style. Okay, and then I want the theme. I'm gonna use this maze with border for now, and then I want the theme of okay, let's say alphabet. Okay, alphabet theme. And then I'm going to generate the border, because I want to create my own border. If you want to do that, just click generate, and let's wait for a second on what border that we're gonna get. Alright, so this is the border that we got from, and I'm gonna select this one. Okay, click select, and then we're going to generate the mazes. Click this one. Alright, so here you go, guys. As you see, I got my my own frame for this. So you're gonna start with the letter A, and you're getting out of the letter B. So it's something looks like that. So I'm just gonna show you guys that you can do a lot of things. You can create your own mazes based on your imagination or whatever theme that you want. So for the alphabet theme for kids, so I'm just thinking about doing this with this frame and all the letters. Okay, so for example, you're finished with this. What you're gonna do is just to click the maze generator here, and we're going to create a flipbook. Okay, so to create a flipbook, just click this one and select the pages. Okay, it's all selected. Alright, and then we're going to create a flipbook. Here is the title of your flipbook. Alright, ABC Maze Journey, and choose the front cover. And I'm going to choose from the library the front cover, which is this one. I'm gonna choose this one. Alright, and then we're going to generate a flipbook. Alright, so now it's ready. Let's try to read. Okay, let's click this one. And let's see what's inside. All right, so this is my cover, very simple. All right, and then there you go, there's an ABC here. So UV, they're going to start with U, and then they find a way to get out to letter B. There you go, so on and so forth. Okay, so this is just a simple tutorial, guys, on how you can create your own ABC maze. So this is just a simple tutorial, guys, so you can also make your own maze inside of Artistly. And if you like this tutorial, guys, please like, share, and if you're new to my channel, always thank you so much for watching my tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you next tutorial. Bye for now.